Hey, what's up, guys? I have this box of Score that I just bought at DMP Sports Cards. I brought it home this time and didn't open it in store. Let's go ahead and open it now. This product just came out today, and Score is always one of the most fun products to open. It's also a really low-end product, but always a quality product despite being so inexpensive. Usually packs are just $1 a pack, and so super affordable, but there are still good things to get inside. I don't know if there's a distinction between hobby and retail. I don't think there is, actually, but we're going to see what I get in this hobby box. I got this at the hobby store. What comes in here. I'm excited to see Panini's first product of the 12-13 season. You get 7 cards a pack and 36 packs per box. So it looks like I have, well, the cards are sort of every which way. But let's take a look at a base card. This is what a base card looks like. It's Evgeny Malkin. Okay, and I will have a full review of this set. That's a cool picture of Luke Adam, actually. A full review of this set on my blog, and so check that out. I'm going to probably leave a link below, so keep an eye out for that. We got a hot rookie, and this is what the hot rookies look like this year, of Brandon Bollig. And it looks like a gold. I don't think it's glossy. Looking to see if there's glossy cards or not this year, but it's just a gold card of Tim Gleason. Alright, so we'll try to move a little bit faster, but I am not really familiar with this, but it looks like there's one gold card per pack rather than a glossy this year. Okay. We have the franchise of Bobby Hull insert card. There's the back. And then a gold of Kyle Wellwood. We have another franchise card, this time of Johnny Bower. Kind of a neat card. And Sergei Bobrovsky gold card, and it does say he was traded to the Blue Jackets. So a little update on the information there. Alright. We got Zach Kassian in his Canucks jersey in there. And we have a hot rookie of Jason Zucker. The gold of Michael Roosevelt. PK Subban. Award winner card, it's kind of cool. And a hot rookie of Scott Glennie. And my gold card is Dmitry Kulikov. Okay, we have a first gold card. This is an insert card of Marcus Foligno. And a gold of Jared Bowl. John Tavares, Landeskog, nice picture of Landeskog there. Patrick Kane from when he was in the All-Star game. That's kind of a cool picture. We got a Scott Glennie, hot rookie card. I think that's gold. And then we have a Zach Boychuk. I think both of these are gold. Got 2 gold cards in the same pack, so that's kind of interesting. Alright, hot rookie of Torrey Krug. And a Cam Award gold card. I think it's actually kind of nice that there's a gold card rather than the glossy cards, because the glossy cards, you can never tell that they were glossy, especially if you put them in like plastic or anything like that. Penny sleeves, very hard to tell. But I did like how they had the, at least they noted it on the back last year. Cody Golubev, hot rookie card. Brett Connolly, gold base. Sid the Kid, base card. And we have team score of Steven Stamkos. Always like these team cards like Team Pinnacle, Team Score. They're really nice. Black and white photography. Back has a little bit left to be desired, but there we go. And a Mark Stewart gold card. Some of the photography here is actually pretty neat. Got to give props to Score for stepping up in that end. We got a Paul Bissonnette gold, Biz Nasty 2.0. Again, I'm not expecting huge hits or anything out of this. I mean, the most you can hope for would be maybe an autograph. We got a Carl Hagelin here. But even that is slim to none. Tyson Barrie, hot rookie, and a George Peros gold card. And they might have short printed rookies, I'm not sure. I actually haven't looked up a lot of the information about Score at all, so your guess is actually as good as mine. We have an hot rookie of Philippe Cornet and RJ Umberger gold card. Okay, nothing there, but we did have a gold of Brian Boucher. And we have Netcam of Antti Niemi. Netcams are always nice. It's a nice looking card. And a Michael Bodker gold card. I forget, but I think like last year they had a lot of the same pictures they used 2 years ago. So that was a little bit disappointing, but it looks like they have some new pictures this year. Tyler Kuma, hot rookie. Victor Hedman, gold card. Hot rookie of Brandon Manning. And a gold card of Brandon Morrow. This is cool. This actually has foil on it, which is really different for Score, I think. It's a franchise card of Pekka Rinne. And if you look, it has foil. I had some of the older franchise cards that didn't have foil on it, so that's actually kind of nice. And a Martin Hansel gold card. Again, like O-Pee-Chee with Upper Deck, this is kind of a bigger base set. You're going to find a lot of the players usually might not find in other sets. Here in this set, we have JT Brown, hot rookie, and Alexander Steen, gold card. Okay, franchise of Johnny Busick. See, these are the older franchise-looking ones. The new franchise ones actually have foil. And a Milan Hajduk gold card. It's another Luke Adam card. Looks different. Didn't I get a Luke Adam earlier? Oh, I'll check later. Okay, Michael Stone, hot rookie. And Michael Neuwirth, gold card. That's kind of nice. So that the Winter Classic. Martin Havlat. Sorry about the phone, guys. John Beliveau, franchise card. And a Ray Whitney gold card. And we have a Team Future of Adam Henrique. Again, really nice looking. Love the black and white photography there. And Andy McDonald, gold card. Okay, hot rookie of Andrew Jodry and Alex Ovechkin, gold card. That's actually probably pretty hard to get, but probably not going to be worth tons of money or anything like that, unfortunately. We have a Ryan Hamilton hot rookie and a Sam Gagner gold card. Netcam, Jose Theodore, and a gold card of Dan Heatley. Robert Mayer, hot rookie card. And a Calvin DeHaan gold base. Okay, another team score, Henrik Lundqvist in his All-Star jersey, and a Nicholas Backstrom gold card. Oop. Chet Pickard, hot rookie card, and a Matt Cullen gold card. Wow, video's over 10 minutes already. Almost done with the box, so hopefully we'll get done pretty quick here. First goal of Andrew Shaw, the Ryan Suter gold card. It's a nice one. Net cam of Carey Price. And a Rick DiPietro gold card. Okay, hot rookie of Matt Donovan, Eric Johnson, gold base. You guys counting the packs? How many packs do I have left? Let's see. Hot rookie, Mike Connolly, Louis Erickson, gold base. Okay, nothing there, but a Lee Stepniak gold base card. We're coming down to the wire, guys. 2 more packs to go. I know this break has been super exciting, but it is what it is. Roman Josi, first goal. Andy Mealy, gold card. And here we are, final pack, guys. What is going to be in this pack? I have no idea. Matt Watkins, hot rookie card. Patrick Berglund, gold base. So there you have it. Score this year. I will be reviewing it. Thanks for watching. It's a long video. If you made it this far, congratulations. Again, I will have a contest for score, so look out for that. Thanks for watching again. See you guys next time.